Welcome back to social class, dear students. This is your 8th standard social video class. Today we are going to revise for your second midterm test, and we are going to revise all the 1 marks from the midterm portion. So, fourth lesson, history. Choose the correct answer. Page number 44. The Palekarar system was instituted in dash. So, Palekarar system was instituted in which year? Answer is C. 1529. The Palekarar system was instituted in 1529. Yes. Now, second one. Which of the following Palekarar of Tamil Nadu was the pioneer against the English rule? So, which of the following Palekarar of Tamil Nadu was the pioneer against the English rule? Who was it? Answer is A. Pulithevar. So, Pulithevar was the Palekarar of Tamil Nadu, and who was the pioneer against the English rule. Got it? Third one. Colin Jackson was the collector of dash. Was the collector of which place? Yes, answer is C. Ramanathapuram. Answer is C. Colin Jackson was the collector of Ramanathapuram. Next. Fourth one. Veerapandiya Kattabomman was hanged at dash. Which place Veerapandiya Kattabomman was hanged at? Kayattar. Answer is D. Kayattar. Veerapandiya Kattabomman was hanged at Kayattar. Fifth one. Velu Nachiyar was a queen of dash. Velu Nachiyar was a queen of dash. Which place? Yes, answer is C. Sivagangai. So, Velu Nachiyar was a queen of which place? Sivagangai. C is the answer. Now, coming to sixth one. Sixth one. Tiruchirappalli proclamation was issued by dash. Tiruchirappalli proclamation was issued by dash. What's the answer? Yes, the answer is A. Marudhu Pandiyars. Answer is A. Tiruchirappalli proclamation was issued by Marudhu Pandiyars. Next, seventh one. Which of the following place was associated with Dheeran Chinnamalai? So, which was the place which is associated with Dheeran Chinnamalai? Yes, the answer is Odanilai. D is the answer. Odanilai. Got it? Yes. Eighth one. Rani Lakshmi Bai led the revolt at dash. Revolt at Central India. Rani Lakshmi Bai led the revolt at Central India. Okay, next coming to fill in the blanks. First, fill in the blanks. The Eastern Palayams were ruled under the control of dash. Who ruled Eastern Palayam? Yes, it's Kattabomman. Answer is Kattabomman. Kattabomman. Or I'll write it again. Kattabomman. Kattabomman. BOMMAN. This is the answer. The Eastern Palayams were ruled under the control of Kattabomman. Got it? Next. Vishwanatha Nayakar instituted the Palekarar system with the consultation of his minister dash. What was his name? What was the minister's name? Aryanatha Mudaliyar. I'll write the spelling over the question. Okay. Aryanatha Mudaliyar. Aryanatha. Aryanatha Mudaliyar. Mudhaliyar. Aryanatha Mudaliyar. So, Vishwanatha Nayakar instituted the Palekarar system with the consultation of his minister Aryanatha Mudaliyar. Got it? Third one. The ancestors of Kattabomman belonged to dash. Which place? Yes, it's Andhra. 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 The ancestors of Kattabomman belonged to Andhra. Next. Dash was known by Tamils as Veeramangai and Jhansi Rani of the South India. Who was known as Tamils as Veeramangai and Jhansi Rani of South India? Yes, it's Velu Nachiyar. V-E-L-U is Velu Nachiyar. N-A-C-H-I-Y-A-R. Velu Nachiyar. Got it? Yes. Fifth one. Dash was called as Lion of Sivagangai. Who was that? Yes, Chinna Marudu. C-H-I-N-N-A. Chinna Marudu. M-A-R-U-D-U. Marudu. Okay. Next. Dash was described the revolt of 1857 as first war of India independence. Who was it? V.D. Savarkar. V.D. Savarkar. S-A-V-A-R. Savarkar. K-A-R. Got it? This is K. Okay. K-A-R. Yes. Next. Coming to match the following. Yes. Match the following. They have given Delhi. Right? So Delhi. What is the answer for Delhi? Yes. Bahadur Shah 2 is the answer. Next, coming to Kanpur. Kanpur answer is, yes, Nana Sahib. Kanpur answer is Nana Sahib. Third one is Jhansi. Who was called as Jhansi? Yes, it is Lakshmi Bai. Lakshmi Bai was called as Jhansi. Fourth one is Bareilly. So what is the answer for Bareilly? Khan Bahadur Khan. Fourth one. Okay. Khan Bahadur Khan. Okay. Next, fifth one is Bihar. Answer is Kanwar Singh. Okay. Next. Coming to true or false. The Vijayanagar rulers appointed Nayaks in their provinces. Answer is true. Siva Subramania was the minister of Marudu Pandyas. Answer is false. Third one. Kattabomman was hanged on 17th October 1799. It's true. Fourth one. Feta Haider was the elder son of Tippu Sultan. Answer is true. Got it? Okay. Now we shall see Geography 4th lesson. Yes, Geography 4th lesson, page number 120 in your book. Okay. So, evaluation. Choose the correct answer. So, lesson number is 4th, Migration and Urbanization lesson. Yes. People move from dash to dash mainly in search of better jobs. People move from dash to dash where? Yes, it is A, rural to urban. People move from rural to urban mainly in search of better jobs. Okay. Second one, a person moves from his own country to another country is known as dash. What is its name? Yes, C is the answer, emigrant. A person moves from his own country to another country is known as emigrant. Third one, the migration in search of fertile agricultural land is dash migration. What it is? Yes, answer is A, rural to rural migration. Fourth one, war is one of the dash causes of human migration. What it is? Political causes. War is one of the political causes of human migration. Fifth one, the main reasons for the development of urbanization in prehistoric period was dash excess production of food grains. The main reason for the development of urbanization in prehistoric period was what? Excess production of food grains. Now we shall see fill in the blanks. Urbanization is determined by dash number of factors. How many numbers of factors? Yes, it's 3. You can write it in words also, THREE, or you can write it in number also. Got it? Yes. Second one, dash is the major push factor operating in rural area. What is it? Yes, it is poverty. It is poverty, Poverty. Poverty. Okay. Poverty is the major push factor operating in rural areas. Third one, dash metropolitan city in India has the second highest urban population in the world. Which city? Yes, it's Delhi, DELHI. So in dash I don't have place, so I'm writing separately here. Okay. Delhi metropolitan city in India has the second highest urban population in the world. Next, fourth one, the movement of a person based on his free will and desire to live in a better place is called dash migration. What migration it is? Yes, voluntary migration. Answer, I'll write it here, VOLUNTARY. Voluntary migration. Again, I'll write it, VOLUNTARY. Got it? Voluntary migration. Next, coming to fifth one. In modern time, urban growth was accelerated by the development of dash. What it is? Industries. 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 In modern time, urban growth was accelerated by the development of industries. Now coming to match the following. First one, emigration. What is the answer for emigration? Yes, it's out migration is called as what? Emigration. Second one is immigration. Immigration is in migration is called as immigration. Third one is pull factor. What is pull factor here? Answer is here. Pull factor. Answer is employment opportunity. Okay. Fourth one is push factor is unemployment. Fifth one, marriage. Marriage is socio-cultural migration. Got it? Yes, I'll write the answer once again here. Migration, it comes out. Sorry, emigration is out migration. Immigration is in migration. Pull factor is employment opportunity. Push factor is unemployment. And marriage is socio-cultural migration. Got it? Yes. Now let's see true or false. First one, slums are generally found in cities. True or false? Yes, it's true, isn't it? Second one, mass migration is absent in the modern period. Answer is true. Third one, the process of urbanization has a short history. Answer is false. Okay, next. Fourth one, cities and towns are the major polluters of environment. Of course, it is true. Fifth one, transhumance is also referred as seasonal migration. Yes, it is true. Got it? Okay, now we shall see civics fourth lesson. Yes, civics fourth lesson, human rights and UNO, page number 195 in your book. After the Second World War, Dash has taken several measures to protect the human rights. What was it? Yes, UNO, United Nations Organization. Okay, UNO is the answer. Second one, in 1995, women from all over the world gathered at Dash. Answer is Beijing. A is the answer, Beijing. Okay. Third one, the National Human Rights Commission was constituted in Dash. Which year? B is the answer, 1993. Fourth one, the UNO declared 1979 as the International Year of Dash. Which 1979 was declared as what day? Children International Year. Okay, that is B is the answer. UNO declared 1979 as the International Year of Children. Fifth one, when is Human Rights Day observed? When it is? Yes, it is 10th December. You have this in this month, isn't it? 10th December is observed as what day? Human Rights Day. Next, sixth one. Which one is known as modern international Magna Carta of Human Rights? Answer is UDHRC. UDHRC. What is UDHRC? Yes, it's Modern International Magna Carta of Human Rights. Okay. Next, coming to seventh one. Who can be appointed as the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer is B. Any retired Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Eighth one. How many articles does the Universal Declaration of Human Rights contain? It is 30. B is the answer. Got it? Ninth one. What is the tenure of the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission? It is D is the answer, 5 years or up to 70 years of age. 10th one. Where is the headquarters of the National Human Rights Commission? It is New Delhi. Got it? Now we shall see fill in the blanks. Yes, fill in the blanks. Each individual has dash to lead a dignified life. What? We have right. We have right to read. R-I-G-H-T. Right. Okay. Next, human rights or dash rights. What rights it is? Fundamental. F-U-N-D-A-M-E-N-T-A-L. Fundamental. Human rights or dash rights. What right it is? Fundamental right. Third one. The State Human Rights Commission was formed on dash. Yes, it is 17th April 1997. 17th April 1997. Fourth one, Article 24 of Indian Constitution prohibits dash. What it is? It's child labor. Child labor. Fifth one, United Nations Organization was established in the year dash. Yes, it is 24th October 1945. 24th October 1945. Got it? Yes. Now we'll see. Match the following. Yes. Eleanor Roosevelt. The answer is Human Rights Commission. Eleanor Roosevelt. Answer is Human Rights Commission. Second one, Cyrus Cylinder. Answer is World's First Charter of Human Rights. Third one, Eve Teasing Act. Answer is 1997. Fourth one, Child Helpline. Answer is 1098 is the answer. Okay, 1098. Right. Fifth one, Civil Right. What is the answer? Freedom from slavery. Fifth one. Sixth one, Political Right. Right to vote. Got it? Yes. Now we'll see true or false. Human rights and civil rights are the same. False. I'll just write only F. Okay. Declaration of Rights of Man and of the Citizen was proclaimed in India. It's also false. Third one. The Human Rights Act of 1993 provides the creation of National Human Rights Commission. It is true. Fourth one. National Human Rights Commission has empowered to give punishment to the victims. It is true. Fifth one. Human Rights Commission was empowered to set up commission for the promotion of human rights at national and state level. It is true. Got it? Okay, children, we have revised all the 3 lessons, 1 marks. Go through it, study well, and go through the question and answer also. All the best for your exam. Thank you and take care.